What's up guys? So today's video we're going to be going to car meets. I'm really excited about this car meet. It's actually a Mitsubishi / EVO car meet. So there's gonna be a lot of nice cars there, lots of nice EVOs, probably a lot of Lancers too. But yeah, I'm excited to go. As you can tell from the title, I'm gonna be taking my fake EVO into an EVO car meet. So we're gonna get probably a lot of looks. Honestly, my car's probably gonna look better than all the EVOs there. I'm just messing with you guys. But yeah, I'm excited. I think there's gonna be a couple subscribers there too, so we get to meet them, talk to them about my car, see their builds and everything. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm going it solo today. My brother's not coming, my friend Misal isn't going, so it's just me today, me and you guys. So yeah guys, let's get started. It's about, I think, like 15 minutes away. It's at Ace Cafe, so they have a lot of really nice meets there. I think there's gonna be a R34 GTR there. So he was there in the last car meet I went to for Subaru. I didn't record that just because it was like a Subaru meet, but that was like 2 days ago. I hit up the guy, sent him some pictures of his car that I took, and he's gonna be there too. You probably know him, he's Black Widow Supra, but now he's Black Widow GTR or Black Widow R34, or I don't know why he loves Black Widows, but whatever. Yeah, so let's just get going guys. Let's just go check out these nice cars. What's up, man?
What's up, dude?
How you doing, man?
Good, how you doing?
That's good. Looks better in person.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Lots of EVOs here, guys. Lots of EVOs here. Where do these guys live? Because I freaking never see this shit. I never see these cars. This is a nice color. Look at this color, guys. Oh, these are dope. Okay, I'm gonna get these. It'll fix my wrapping job. Damn, I love all the carbon on it. This thing is straight out of Forza, bro. But yeah guys, it was a cool meet. I got to talk to a lot of subscribers and a lot of people that didn't know about my channel, that now they know about my channel. Now they're able to see what I did to make this car and actually like use that and you know, like make their cars look similar to mine. Yeah, it was a really cool meet guys. Sorry I couldn't finish vlogging because yeah, the camera died. I thought I brought my second battery, but I didn't, so that was a rookie mistake by me. So this is like the second part of the video. So what we're gonna be doing is doing an oil change. Got my car right here. I already ordered the oil at Advanced Auto Parts, so I'm gonna go pick it up in a bit. But before I do, I want to get the car up on jack, so I want to get everything ready for the oil change. I'm not gonna take the car obviously because I don't want it to be like hot when I'm doing the oil change, and then it's just gonna burn me. So I'm gonna be taking my mom's Corolla, and we're gonna go get the oil after I get the car put up, and yeah.
I'm pretty sure most of you know how to do an oil change, but I'm just gonna show you guys the proper way to do it, how I do it. So I usually don't do it before I have the oil. Today I'm just trying to save some time. Also, I'm gonna be taking the wheels off, making sure the spacers are tight, making sure everything is up to par. All right, so I got you guys on the GoPro. We're gonna take my mom's car and we're gonna go to Advanced Auto Parts, get the oil and come back. So let's go. Sick whip. Just like that, we got it, guys. But this is all about speed, so you need really good speed just to and get all the oil in there only and trying to make a mess. So let's hope I'm fast enough. Woohoo! Let's go! Speed! Lightning McQueen! Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about doing an oil change, let me know in the comment section. Or if you have any questions at all, you want to DM me on Instagram, that's fine too. My Instagram is right here. Do not forget to enter into the taillight giveaway. So as you guys can see right here, these are the taillights I'm giving away. It's not this exact pair. I'm gonna get you guys a brand new pair of VLAN taillights. The winner will be announced at 5,000 subscribers. So don't forget to sign up, guys. I have a video that's going to be linked in the description of how to win the taillights. So that's gonna be in the description. And I'm also gonna link my Instagram as well, so you guys can follow the instructions on there. They're nice taillights. They're really nice. They're Audi style. They're really nice, and I'm giving it away to one of you guys at 5,000 subscribers. So guys, let's try to get 5,000 subscribers as quick as possible so I can give it to you guys. So see you guys. That's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.